You know, we started in 1942 and have grown ever since, both globally and locally. And all the way until now, and we've completed 80 years worth of being in business. And when you look at our footprint globally, as you can see, we have 4 plants, 4 R&D centers, and 7 overseas sales corporations, plus 12 branch offices for 7,000 total employees plus. Okay, we continue to grow both globally and in the United States. But when you start looking at our production sites, as you can see, you see 2 plants in South Korea, 1 in China, and our newest one in Czech Republic. When you look at what our investments have been in Europe, we just completed a second phase where our new tire that you'll be testing will be coming from the Czech Republic, and that production has increased from 5 million to 11 million. From a global R&D center, we have the newest one, or I say new to me every time I go there, but is our central R&D headquarters in Seoul. That was recently opened back in 2019, but some of you have been to the headquarters. If you haven't, I strongly suggest we get you there. It's a very impressive facility to see, both R&D and our global headquarters. But we also have one in Europe, one in North America that Aaron will get up and talk from, and then we have one in China, and then a proving grounds also. When you look at our university, as we call it, it's our central headquarters, but it really is a building that is impressive from both OE and replacement, but we also have a performance R&D center there, a compound center there, and also a sales administration office there. But I just have to comment quickly, this building was designed to be part of this city. So it invites people from the city to come and sit in the building and enjoy everything that the building has to offer. And they do a lot of events there. It's a really people person facility. If you then move over to our global OE fitments, okay, this chart clearly shows our growth and our desire to grow in OE, both globally and in the US. When you start looking at some of the fitments we have, as you can see when you look across the globe, we have some key fitments, okay, ranging from Hyundai, Kia that you would expect, but also BMW, Porsche, and some other Volkswagen, Audi, to name a few. When you start breaking it down specifically in the US, okay, that selfishly I like to talk about, you still see some good fitments for the US, and they're growing. When you look at the actual fitments itself, you know, Porsche, BMW, Audi, okay, Jeep, we're really starting to grow in the United States, and we have some really key fitments in the United States that are coming to fruition this year and into next year and beyond. When you look at our warranty, we haven't sat back, and I hope you guys all agree. You know, we have this total coverage warranty between road hazard, roadside assistance, treadwear warranty, and free trial period. Okay, and we try to be better than the competition, and our warranties speak to that. But our really claim to fame, quite honestly, is no recalls in the United States. After producing over 600 million tires, name me any other manufacturer that can say the same thing. Okay, that speaks loudly to our volume, to our quality, to our customers. Okay, quite honestly, and the ability to sell tires at a very good price and a very good quality. Thank you for your time. I'm going to introduce Aaron from the technical side. Thank you.